Good afternoon. This is a weather warning alert. An EF4 tornado has been spotted touching down a half-mile away from 19th Avenue in Monroe, Oklahoma, at approximately 8:37 p.m. tonight. It is traveling eastbound at wind speeds of up to 200 miles an hour. We urge you to strongly stay indoors, get into your own shelter bunkers, underground if at all possible. Please make sure that you have plenty of water, plenty of food, flashlights, candles, and any first aid supplies you need. Also keep handy your cell phones and your radios so that way you can get further acknowledgments from your local government, state government, FEMA, and any other directives that will be out in presentation. Just to let you know, this is one tornado in a series of tornadoes along this path going eastbound. This tornado has already leveled the hospital in Monroe, Oklahoma. It has already torn down 2 schools, as well as trapped families under debris, and has already taken over 70 lives thus far. FEMA and others are doing plenty to mitigate the situation. The FEMA, CDC, local, state, and officials, public health, Red Cross, and many other organizations are working together to restore power, bring back clean drinking water, prevent spread of disease, keep population informed, aiding those injured or in need, funneling traffic and transports, managing healthcare, covering security, and any sheltering needs. It is very important that you stay inside, indoors, have food and water available, ration items as much as possible, as we not know the exact time that emergency responses can respond to you at this time because we are flooded with calls. We will get to you as soon as possible. Cover yourself with blankets. Get to the innermost room of your house, away from windows and doors. If you're not able to stay indoors, get as low to the ground as possible. Find a ditch, find an overpass, get underneath it, and lay flat. This will help secure you to the ground as much as possible. Also, if you have an underground bunker, please head there immediately. This is the safest place for you to be right now. The loud voice will alarm and let you know when the all clear is ready, as you've already heard several signals from the loud voice warning you of the tornado in its direct path. Keep your cell phones and your radios and your ears out for the loud voice and weather updates. Once the tornado is passed and the all clear is given, you will need to stay close to your area. Don't go wandering away. Make sure you use the buddy system. We want to bring help to you. Help your neighbors if at all possible, and stick together. Help each other, stay warm, stay hydrated, and stay calm. Lives are of the importance, everything else is material. You are what is important to us, the city of Monroe, and the state of Oklahoma. Watch out for down power lines and call the electric company if you find one. Never touch one without 100% knowledge that it is turned off. Do quick references with everyone's vehicle and gas them out. That way you know which vehicles to use for relocating and helping each other, and what vehicles to use for gas for other burning supplies, such as generators and other sources of power or heat. The issues that we are addressing first: staying safe till the all clear, keeping calm, making sure the loud voice is heard and you respond accordingly. Make sure TV and cell phones are at your disposal so you can get weather updates and emergency updates and shelter information. Local enforcements will be the first to respond to all injuries, power line issues, and repair of damages to the city infrastructure. The state will help bring in manpower, pop-up medical hospitals, security, first aid, and shelters, and will also coordinate with Oklahoma City to use their hospitals and other emergency supplies. The CDC Environmental Health to make sure there are no disease areas or potential risk in the areas due to dirty or unsafe water or unclean and unsafe eating material. FEMA will be the next to respond to help out with sheltering, aid of the injured, food deliveries, portable pop-up tent cities, clean water, relocation, and involvement of other needed sources like the Red Cross and other first aid shelters. Our main concerns are poor hygiene, dirty water filled with bacteria, old and unrefrigerated food due to loss of power, food poisoning, dehydration, STIs, formula for infants, immunizations, and the stop and spread of the disease. Populations that might be most affected by this are those in low incomes, homeless, youth, the elderly, and those without power or clean drinking water. Dehydration, diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, bacteria buildup, and infection of diseases are all things that we're concerned about if you're drinking dirty water or unclean food or unrefrigerated food. We want to make sure that you stay as safe as possible and still stay healthy. We're also concerned with the infestation or infections of STIs, starving, organ failure, and death due to lack of food or supplies or dehydration. Other health concerns that may arise is bacterial infections, diseases manifesting, outbreaks, minimization of the population, and epidemics. We're here finally to say, we are here, we will be here, we will hold fast, stay safe, stay together, stay warm, stay hydrated, get to your local shelter if at all possible, and remember, together we are broken, but together we will become strong again. MONROE strong. Stay tuned, stay alert, stay vigilant, and we will be there to help you in your time of need. God bless.